to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about diborane. What is diborane? The structure of diborane. Structure of diborane. This question, the diborane is a SAQ question, short answer type question. It is important question in 4 marks question. 4 marks for first year students in groups. The diborane, the chemical formula of diborane is B2H6. B2H6. It is a boron hydride. It is a boron hydride. The chemical formula of diborane is B2H6. In diborane B2H6, each boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. It is an electron deficient compound. Electron deficient compound. What is electron deficient compound? What is electron rich compound? And what is electron precise compounds? Electron deficient compound is a less octet. Less octet. That means octet means 8 electrons in the valence shell. So in boron having electron deficient means containing less octet. That means less 8 electrons. Electron rich means above octet, more than octet. Electron precise means only octet. But diborane is an electron deficient compound. In diborane, each boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. In diborane B2H6, it having the 2BH3 units. 2BH3 units because it is a boron hydride. Because it is a boron hydride. First, the first boron atom. The formula of boron. The boron, it is designated, the symbol of boron is B, capital B. The atomic number of boron is 5. The atomic number of boron is 5. Z equal to 5. So the general electronic configuration, that means the ground state electronic configuration can be written as 1s2 2s2 2p1. 1s2 2s2 2p1. That means 1s2 2s2 2p1. The one electron jumps to 2p orbital. The one electron jumps to 2p orbital, that is the 1s2 2s1 2px1 2py1, but 2pz1 is empty. 2pz1 is empty, but it participates in the hybridization. But it is participated in the vacant z orbital is also participated in the for bonding. Vacant p orbital also participated in the bonding in 1s orbital, 3p orbital to produce a 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So it is a electron deficient. Less octet means electron deficient. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. The phenomenon is called as sp3 hybridization. Similarly, second boron atom is also like this. In B2H6, the 6 hydrogens are how to bond with boron atom. The 6 hydrogens, how bonding with boron atoms. In this, the one hydrogen, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So all the hydrogens having 1s1, the valency shell, in the valency shell of hydrogen containing only 1 electron. So it pairing to give him the hydrogens, hydrogen. It is pairing 1, 2, In this hydrogen also 1 1 because the hydrogen containing 1 electron. But boron is electron deficient. For how to bond with the hydrogens, the structure is like this. In each boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Each sp3 hybridization, the sp3 hybrid orbitals are in the shape tetrahedral manner. Like this, tetrahedral manner. Each boron atom undergoes tetrahedral manner because it is having the sp3 hybridization. The vacant orbital also undergoes sp3 hybridization. In hydrogens, each hydrogen containing these are the terminal hydrogen, these are the bridged hydrogen. The terminal hydrogens are overlapping to produce sp3 s bonds, sigma sp3 s bonds, hydrogens. S bonds. But in this sp3, vacant sp3 and s, how it is formed? How the bond is formed? The vacant orbital of one boron atom and orbital of another boron atom and hydrogen combine to form a BHB bridge will be formed. BHB bridge will be formed. Two bridges are formed. The bonds are like this. So it is a banana bond. These are the terminal hydrogen. These are the bridged hydrogen. The four terminal hydrogens BH bonds are to form a 4 sigma bonds and 2 bridged hydrogens to produce a BHB bonds, that is called as banana bond. BHB. This is the 2 banana bonds and 4 terminal bonds are present in the diborane, that is called as diborane structure. What is diborane? It is a very important question. It is a very asked question also. Short answer type question. Diborane is the boron hydride. That means it contains 2 BH3 units. The chemical formula of diborane is B2H6. In diborane B2H6, each boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization and it is an electron deficient compound. Electron deficient means less octet. So boron is an electron deficient compound. It undergoes like this. The structure is like this. 4 terminal bonds and 2 bridged bonds are formed. These are the structure. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share your friends. Please support to me. Thank you.